War day number 966. 966 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Welcome today. Today, in the daily newspaper on Wednesday, yes, it's Wednesday, October the 16th, 2024. We have here 3 regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the 3 Stars Sudoku, the 4 Stars Sudoku, and the binary. And in this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you the extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Now I will solve these 3 regular puzzles, and the first one I will do is the 3 stars Sudoku. 3 stars Sudoku number. This will be number 9441. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. For 3 stars puzzle, usually it has 25. This one has 2 digits more. Should be a 1 star. Yeah, a 1 star puzzle and need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle, we need 20 to 30 minutes. Yeah, 20 to 30 minutes. And the question is this 1 star or a 2 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. Let me see, we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Can I start with 2? No, 4. Yeah, 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the third row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4, 4. 4, 4. Cannot continue with the 4 now, need to wait. How about the 3 in this row? 3 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in these 3 boxes. We have 7 in the third row, no 7 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 7. Need a 5 here. Need 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Need a 6 here, need a 6 there. Needs 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 in these 3 boxes. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square should be there. 6, 6. Well, 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6, 6. Cannot continue with the 6 now. Need to wait. Then need a 1 here. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers to 1 is missing. The 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, no 1 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left now in this row for number. The 1, the 2 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 digit left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing here. 8 is missing. All right, 1, 2 in this column, third column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only place level 2 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, no 1 goes there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place level the 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is, no, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 1, 7, 8. 178, 178, 178, and look, we have 1 and 7 in this column. So no 1 and 7 in this box. 1 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes disappear. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have 1 in the last row. So no 1 there. 1 should be here. 7 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 8. Then 2 numbers left in the first column for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in the second row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. No 1 goes and there. Then 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place level 1 should be here. 1 in the third row. 1 in the second row. So the first row, the only place level 1 should be there. 1 in the 5. We have a 1 now in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes, and there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next, so the last column, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 in the last row, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 1. All right. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 in that column, no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this column for numbers 1 and 2. The 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in the last row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing here. So we have a 4 in the last column, 4 in that column. So the column 3, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the third row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. This is number 2, number 4. How about the 2s? And all the 2s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 2. How about the 3s? Well, 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers to 1, the 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column 3. The middle column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can't see. This is number 4, number 3. 1 box left now in the second column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing here. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 6 in the third row, 6 in the first row, so the row between the second row, the only place level 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 9 goes there. 8 in this third row, 8 in the first row, so the row between the second row. The only place level 8 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 5 goes there. Then, let me see. 2 numbers left in the last column. 4 numbers to 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 5 goes, there are 2 numbers left. Oh, 1 box left in this big square. For number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 9 goes there, finish in 10 minutes. Cannot believe this. 10 minutes. We solve it again. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Let me give this a 0 stars. I'm faster than 14, 13 minutes. So well pleased with time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.